I'm going to give you a quick rundown of some of the stuff that we have here in the museum. Some of the Maroon things. Alright?
Yes.
So over here, let's start with the Paki. Paki is from the word Kamanji. The Kamanji language started when Nanny came here and she needed to start like a military alliance with the indigenous people of Jamaica. Right? So you had people from Christopher Columbus time, the Spaniards. You had the indigenous people of Jamaica. Right? You had all English people that didn't agree with working people to death. Right? And you had the Africans. And everybody was speaking their own mother tongue. Right? So what Nanny did, she came up with this idea that she needed to make one language that everybody understand. Hence the Kramanti language. Right? So over here you have a Paki. Paki, people might know it as calabash. Right? So that's what the Maroons used to use to eat their food from. Don't just blow it. Blowing the abeng, you have to blow a language into the abeng. So whoever hears the abeng being blown is not confused by what they hear. Right? So if you have intruders coming in, like O'Brien, right? Because that's what we call intruders, or outsiders, the European white men, O'Brien, or background, right? You blow in the abeng if they're coming through the community, you in the community would hear that. And you know that, drop everything you're doing and look for somewhere safe to hide, right? Who can fight? Prepare themselves for war, right? If somebody die in the community, they will blow the abeng. And you hear this, you know exactly what it means, right? If you're having a township meeting, you blow the abeng, you know what time you're supposed to show up. And if you don't show up to township meetings, you get a lashing.
You get a lashing if you're not
sure. You get a
sure.
lashing if you don't show up. That is how serious the Maroons take their thing. Alright? But now they don't do that because now they created this. A banner. So that we could use this to catch the birds. Right? So what you do whenever the trees have fruits on them, the birds will flock to that. So what you do, you put a pin right in this little hole right here. Alright? And open this up like that. So whenever the bird comes to feed, it would land on the pin would fall out, and the foot get catching it like that.
No.
Yeah. That's how we used to catch the birds. Right? Another thing that we used to use, that Maroon people were farmers. Right? So whenever the females were on the farms, they carry the fruits, the vegetables and all that, we made those little baskets over here. Right? So the baskets is what they used to transport the food from the farms to the communities. Right? Another thing, if you know anything about the Maroons, you know the Maroons like the drumming. Them from the Africans. Right? So this is the Kramanji drum. And we use the Jamaicans from a puyu, a kuku, a kaname. Meaning welcome in the high school, So just welcoming you everybody. So this is where Nanny used to bury the fallen soldiers of the time. And
So we're turn up on grave?
yes, this is a graveyard. This is a graveyard. You know why they call it bump grave? Because it's a grave on a hillside or a bump. Right? So other people think Nanny is buried in this, but she's not in it. Her body is actually around here. So let me show you. Nanny's body is right here. Right in this area.
Where were in there?
This is where Nanny was buried. And Nanny is not the only person that is buried here. You have a lot of other gravestones all over the park. Where you see all those stones in the park, yes,
Go
you
for the
find
wine, not
the
mature
remains
some.
here.
Go for the wine, not the cat. Things I'm not know things.
Calabash.
I come from country, now even though I'm not in a country. But Jamaica is my country.
Oh, yeah. People usually use them to make fences. The other one next to it is called fence tape or gross tape. Right? And you can also use that if you have a pole. You can use that. It tastes better than the Joseph pole. So people usually use this one more than the Joseph. You blow a bush, so you have to take bush before 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not so strong. And then the bush sleep at night time.
Oh.
Stick it before sleep.
Any bush?
Any bush.
And have a queen before you drink it.
Not necessarily to take and drink it in.
Masa.
Future, if you decide to come visit the community and want to stay over and get the marine experience like that, not USA, we're working on building a marine village down on that property here.
Mm.
So we're going to see some hatch house out here with a little modern
Style.
Well, they're not straight too far from the group, yeah?
Yeah, but
From the group. Maroon dumping. This one now. This is Bakra. Right? Bakra.
Bakra.
Bakra. So you can use this part. For the Bakra master though. This.
Yes, use a
Or
purple
the
one.
name the master after the this. This you can use it to make wine or ink.
Oh, yeah, I know it.
And it tastes just like Ribena.
A long time I see a cotton tree so big. Our country them grow so big, you know.
Yeah, it's fruity. Now everybody will put them down.
Where that?
Cotton tree where you have in your yard. The all of them, you know what is from?
We call it touch.
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 Touch. Yeah, bless up. Yeah, man. The things of the control themselves around there. They have a touch tree, you use the limb, the leaf, for making the roof of the house. You see from the green part going up, you cut that off and you shave it down to the middle. There's
Yeah.
a thing in it called art of farm. Or the fancy restaurant will rename it and call it wild cabbage.
Wild cabbage.
Wild cabbage. You can eat it raw, it tastes just like cabbage.
Then I eat to eat over there.
Yeah, you can eat that.
But them small, small.
No, it's just as long as the from the green part going up is.
All I not eat then another.
So you can shave it off. It kind of look like sugar cane when you get to the middle of it.
Oh,
It
well I
has
not
like a
eat as
crunchiness
different
to
thing.
it. It's just like that.
Them tree I look like them ancient.
Yeah, strong grafted.
Don't it? Limb to limb, you know.
Mm. But this one was the golden tree. Remember the big one I saw in the museum?
Yeah. Nobody else on a trucker like you.
Wow, it done do already. No, it's doing already. Well, it's doing up a farm. I farm now what? You know you. What are you doing nasty? Yeah, right. Right. Yeah? You cook? I'm hungry now. Give me food.